Okay, so I'm recording this video second time because first time my mic was off. So basically, this is form schema for Firebase for the product intake form from here, from our design here. This is our schema that I made here. So obviously we have Google authentication here, which has typical email and UID, and you can't even read the password. I think it's encrypted, so this is really relevant. But if we want to add more users stuff to it, we can just create new collection and link back with user ID. So this is gonna have like role such as admin or product owner or evaluator, and this is standard email and username, and you can also add more stuff to this if necessary, or remove this username, because I don't know if our form has our user registration form has a username. But okay, now let's go to more complicated stuff here. So this is going to be reference data right here, and I created this because it's easier to maintain and have all the data in one place. And also in the future, if our client wants to create new forms, this is gonna be way they can create it. So let's start with this here, and I'm gonna explain what this does from here. So this product details refers to these product details form here. So I'm gonna explain it why I created different collections for different form fields here later, but now let's start with types here. So ID, this is a standard document ID that we're gonna link these other collections to this main form here. User ID is basically like user that submitted this form. Product type is the reference product type. So in here we're gonna have product type name. So in this case, this is a cheese or dairy product, I guess. So in here, when client creates new, or us that can create new reference data, we can name these different things, like I don't know, meat field or something like that. And this is gonna have ID, and this ID gonna reference to this product type ID. So we can pull all this data here and populate our form. And this is gonna be user inputs. This is gonna be hard-coded form data, and this is gonna be user inputs. So we have here, this is the most common form type that I created that they're gonna be used in the form. So if you can see here, let's see what why evaluate. So we have this question here: why are you looking to evaluate this product? And this has multiple choices. So in here we can see this is going to be array of objects, and each object is going to have a title and the options. So title is going to be, I hope this one is recording right now. Okay, title is going to be basically this whole string here, and option is going to be this. So title is going to be string, and option is going to be array of strings. And if you can see, there's an other option as well. So when user, like product owner who is creating this form, chooses this others, we're just gonna push it in here in this options array as well. But this is gonna be a blueprint schema, and this one is gonna just copy that and only put the options that the user choose from, and save it in the user document here. So we have second type here, second most common type, that is an input, and we can see input is almost the same thing, but this one is gonna have just a title, and the user input is going to be empty string. And when user inputs their own string here, it's gonna be saved in here as a user input. So, and we have also photo here. Photo, it's same thing as an input, but we're gonna just upload it to Firestore and get the URL. And I typed here array because I thought there will be like multiple photos, but this is gonna be like string here, just single string of URL. And we're gonna upload it to Firestore and get the URL back and attach it here. So now why I choose to separate these collections, because first and foremost, if we combine all of these together, this is going to be really hard to make. Like this one has only one input, so it might make sense to put this one in the main product collection, but it's gonna be harder for us and also client to create new forms that align this way. Okay, it's gonna be styling issues and harder to make basically. And also, like, second option is if you create one document, this is gonna be this big right here. It's really hard. It's gonna be really hard to maintain, and imagine all of these things into one document. It's gonna be hard to track, even track, different fields and values here, and filter it out. It's gonna be harder to filter it out. It's probably going to be slower because you have to make a GET request to the data this big. It's gonna be slower as well and more labor intensive for the Firebase servers. So yeah, that's why I decided to separate these collections. So this is maybe needs a little bit more polishing, and when we start to making this one, more things gonna make more sense, and some things gonna be like changed. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I just created this one, but yeah, there's needs to be at least like 3 other forms to be made. This one is probably unboxing. Okay, this is probably evaluators forms here. Okay, a lot of great stuff here. Okay, that was pretty much it.